Hi everyone, this is Librarian Jennifer and welcome back to another episode of STEAM at Home. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cool self-propelled paddle boat that you can use outside or indoors. Really bunch of different ways to make this one. If you have suggestions or requests on what we can make, you want more art videos, you want more math videos, whatever, you can email me through the website burlingtonwa.gov/library or leave a comment on our Facebook page and I will do the best I can to accommodate your request. In the meantime, let's get started on our craft today. All right, there are several variations on how you can do this paddle boat. You're gonna need a bottle. I am using skewers, anything that is stiff and long works, pens, pencils, popsicle sticks, whatever you have. You're going to need some kind of waterproof tape. I'm using duct tape, rubber bands, something for your propeller. I'm using 2 spoons, scissors, and then I'm going to reinforce everything with a hot glue gun. This isn't necessary, but if you have it, it's a good thing. So to start, I'm going to glue my sticks onto the body of my boat. I'm going to reinforce that with some duct tape. Okay, that's the body of my boat. I'm going to set that aside. Next I'm going to make my propellers using my spoons. So I'm going to cut these a little shorter. I'm going to glue them together facing opposite directions. And then reinforce that with a little bit of tape. Set that guy aside. Now back to the body of our boat. I'm going to string my rubber band. I used 2 skewers on each side. If you're only using one, that's fine. You'll just need to secure this down. I'm going to put it between my 2 skewers. And I think I'm going to use 2. Again, I'm going to put just a tiny dab of glue there. I'm just going to wrap it with a little bit of tape to see if I can make that a little more secure. And now to put my propeller in, I'm going to separate my 2 rubber bands, stick my propeller through, and I'm going to glue it on both sides. Secure it in place with some more duct tape. Now all you have to do, take this out, wind up your propeller, and your boat should be able to float right along. If you do this out in a pond or something, just make sure you have a way to retrieve this because obviously plastic bottles and such are not so good for our wildlife and we don't want to pollute. I do have another example because this one is so customizable. Here's one I made with a little bit of a bigger water bottle, different tape. I used lids instead of spoons. There's a whole lot of different ways to make these. There you go, your own self-propelled paddle boat. Let me know what you guys think. If you are watching us on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you are on Facebook, leave a comment below. And until next time, this is Librarian Jennifer, and have fun creating. Bye guys.